In 2018, Eric Brynjolfsson, Tom Mitchell, and Daniel Rock published a paper titled "What Can Machines Learn and What Does It Mean for Occupations and the Economy?" What makes this paper particularly interesting is that it combines insights from economics and machine learning. Brynjolfsson and Rock are economists, while Mitchell is a machine learning researcher. Although the paper focuses on AI's economic impact, its key insights are valuable beyond economics, especially for those of us looking to integrate AI into our work. One key takeaway is a new way of thinking about jobs. Rather than viewing a job as a single entity, we should view a job as a collection of tasks. Let's take an example. What does a general physician do? A physician's job includes many different tasks, such as analyzing patient records, detecting patterns in lab tests and scans, explaining diagnosis and treatment, and so on and so forth. Now, let's ask ourselves, which of these tasks are more susceptible to automation using AI? Let's fill in the second column in this table. Analyzing patient records? It is highly AI suitable. Detecting patterns in lab tests and scans? Sure. What about explaining diagnosis and treatment? I would say it's okay, so I put a medium there. Providing emotional support? Well, for this one, I think at this moment, the AI suitable is low. Performing physical exams and surgeries? As of right now, it is low. As we can see from this example, some tasks can be efficiently automated using AI. However, others, like critical decision-making, empathy, and physical procedures, remain inherently human. So what we can see here is that most jobs, including those in academia, consist of a mix of automatable and non-automatable tasks. So AI is not replacing entire jobs. It's automating specific tasks within jobs. A report from Anthropic titled "Which Economic Tasks Are Performed with AI? Evidence from Millions of Cloud Conversations." This report provides real-world insights into how professionals are using AI today. Researchers analyzed millions of interactions with cloud and advanced large language model from Anthropic to understand the kinds of tasks users rely on AI for. The findings confirm what we have been discussing. That is, first, AI automates tasks, not entire jobs. 36% of occupations use AI for at least 25% of their tasks, but only 4% rely on AI for most of their work. Second, AI is more about augmentation than full automation. 57% of usage suggests augmentation of human capabilities, for example, learning or iterating on an output, while 43% suggests automation, for example, fulfilling a request with minimal human involvement. Third, AI adoption is highest in cognitive tasks like writing and coding, but minimal in jobs requiring physical skills or human judgment. This aligns perfectly with Brynjolfsson and colleagues' earlier findings. AI is changing how we work, not eliminating jobs. So what's the key takeaway? We need to rethink work. AI automates tasks, not jobs. And this is the mindset we'll be using throughout today's workshop. Instead of asking, will AI replace researchers? We should be asking, which research tasks can AI assist with? Now, let's dive into what researchers do daily and see where AI fits into the picture. So, what does a researcher do every day? For example, as a researcher, I need to find research ideas, validate research ideas by checking feasibility, novelty, and potential impact, conduct a literature review to stay updated with recent advancements and identifying research gaps, process and analyze data, write research articles, conference papers, and technical reports, review papers to provide peer feedback, evaluate research quality, secure funding by writing compelling proposals, serve as a reviewer to review other researchers' proposals, and of course, guide my students in their academic journey, and so on. This is not an exhaustive list, but it gives us a broad overview of the tasks that make up the daily life of a researcher. So the question is, where does AI fit in? I would say AI fits in every task. But let me be clear, I don't think AI can completely automate every single task. We still need a human in the loop to provide guidance, expertise, critical thinking, and ethical considerations to ensure accuracy and integrity. Instead of thinking about AI as a replacement, a better way to frame it is, how can AI help me and my team work faster, smarter, and more effectively? So, what do you think? After hearing about how AI automates tasks instead of entire jobs, I'd love to hear your perspective. Which task in your own work or studies do you think AI could take over? And which ones do you think will always need a human touch? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps more students and researchers find this content. And if you want to keep learning about AI, ChatGPT, and how these tools can support your work, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video in this series. Thanks for watching.